our current position right now is to we are able to reach to this particular point that we can actually save information to our database. Currently, now if I were to run this, it's going to be saved to our database, and this is our database. Currently, this is database.csv. So to create new information right here, let me say enter something, my phone number, enter something like 09 blah 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 blah, and then I hit create. You can see it got created in this of our database. Like I say, we got the colon also added to it, but we're going to change that to go. So what we're going to do now is to, instead of us trying to check whether the user entered in this of our main, because this of our main is talking about this of our check info is going to check whether the password the person entered is correct, which is for that of our login in. We're going to, instead of, we're going to make use of the information that is in this of our database. Database, you can say database.csv. And here we're going to, let me remove this. We're going to tweak this what is actually here a little bit. So but before that, we're going to implement what is called a kind of a general part, because we're dealing with a particular part. Instead of us coming here to copy this write database again, you can just put something like create a variable part here. Then let's create top of here. Let me put it under here. Let me say part is going to hold our database.csv. We can directly, because we're actually going to make use of this part for other purposes. That's basically what we are going to do in this video. So the next thing we are going to do is do something that is called reading a saved CSV. If I want to read a particular file, we are going to make use of this pandas too. So we can say let's just call it df, which is data frame. We can say pandas we want to read CSV, because when this file is saved in CSV format, so I'm going to just put part. So if we want to print df, it's going to give us this data frame down, but here that we just save here. Not to print out this data frame that we have. So this is basically what I want us to look at this. We are going to do something more complex than what we did here. So I'll be able to see that in the video. Thank you for watching.